adventure.
Have you ever wanted to step right into an adventure, not just read about it, but live it? That's exactly what we did for our latest dinner party, a journey into the heart of the Society of Explorers and Adventurers. For this party, my mission was twofold: absolute immersion and absolute secrecy. My guest, especially my sommelier friend, loved to uncover the theme, but for this sea expedition, every detail had to be a surprise from start to finish. The goal: to transport them to a forgotten outpost in the Alps where two legendary sea members, Dr. Leonard Moss and Dr. Konchanovsky, had unearthed something extraordinary. The foundation of this immersion was Disney's own sea canon. We centered our story around Dr. Leonard Moss, a botanist, and Dr. Konchanovsky, an entomologist. They were collaborating at a secret alpine outpost, the Schomburg Citadel. The narrative: a siege of the silk petal citadel, where the rigid castle had to protect the delicate yet formidable flower, the Lefleur d'Eternité. Every detail, from the menu to the activities, wove back into this rich lore. I even wrote a curator's note for the menu, linking each dish to other sea legends like Camellia Falco and Barnabas T. Bullion. True immersion isn't just about decor. It's about interaction. When guests arrived, they weren't just walking into a dinner party. They were stepping onto an active sea expedition. The centerpiece of our lounge was a geological model of the mountain, which I meticulously designed to hold clues. Inside, field dispatch telegrams guided them to find two crucial artifacts: the imperial seal of the citadel and the illuminator's candle. But the adventure didn't end there. To enter the dining room, the inner sanctum, they had to perform a ritual of the waxen flame, using the found artifacts to officially authorize the evening's rations. The wax seal was the key to unlocking the meal. Of course, a sea expedition needs sustenance. Our menu wasn't just food, it was a Jungle Navigation Company VIP catering menu, the Citadel branch, with each dish named to fit the theme. From Nile Valley gastropod specimens, escargot, linked to Dr. Khan, to garrison poultry with foraged hearth-bred stuffing, smoked chicken and stuffing, inspired by aviatrix Camellia Falco. Even the excavated alpine tubers, potatoes and carrots, had a backstory tied to Barnabas T. Bullion. And for dessert, the geode stone fruit crumble, a discovery from Captain Mary Oceaneer herself. To truly complete their mission, guests received a final field report certifying their success in unifying the castle and the flower. They even got to use their newly discovered wax seal to officially authenticate their report. It was the perfect souvenir to commemorate their contribution to the sea archives. Planning this sea-themed dinner was an adventure in itself. It's amazing how much depth you can add to a party by weaving in cohesive story and interactive elements. My guests loved uncovering the mystery and becoming part of the narrative. If you enjoyed this peek behind the scenes of our Schomburg-Lefleur Expedition, give this video a like and tell me in comments, what's your favorite sea character or story? That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.